Yeah, hi. In my previous video, I have explained how to install IICS, and now I'm going to explain overview of IICS, how it is. And this is the link to log into IICS. Just click on the username and enter your password and click on login. When you are login, there will be a lot of services in login. Mainly, we will work on the data integration and administrator. Coming to administrator, when we click on the administrator, if you want to add any connections for source data or target data, we will click on the administrator. After clicking in the administrator, there will be connections. Click on the connections. If you want to add new connection, click on the new connection and enter your connection name, any name like Oracle underscore SRC underscore. I'm going to add Oracle connection here. Anything, day one, and select type as Oracle and click on Uday. This is the desktop environment, runtime environment, and click. And username should be come to the Oracle. I'm going to add this OTSRC underscore divide in ISS. And these are the host name, port name, SID connection. Copy this, Control C, and paste it here. Password is whatever we have given password here. Just paste it here. Username, not this one. Just this is username. This West localhost 152 port is 1521. Same whatever it will be here. And service name is XE, caps XE. Code page UDF8, just whatever it be, and click on test connection. Yeah, the test was this successful. Click on save here. Yeah, this is the connection how to add Oracle connection or any connections like Salesforce connections you can add, Snowflake connections you can add, and flat files you can add here. And if there is no connection appear over there, you can add it from here. Start free. Yeah, this can start free trial account. Snowflake data cloud, you can add it from here. Just click on the connections, new connection, and add from their connections. You can add from the if you want to change the service, then go for then click on the administrator over there, whatever the amount, then change data integration here. Yeah, this is the overview of ISS. And if you want to export or import your mapping logs, then this is the option. And whatever the running jobs here, these are the jobs, running jobs, whatever the failed or success, these will be the jobs here. And coming to home button, and these are the runtime environment. These should be always up and run. And in your how many projects are available in your folders, and these are the overview of the IICS. And if you want to do mapping, click on new year option. And if you want to do any mapping, come to data integration and click on the new. And this is the in Power Center we will do the sessions, right? Here we call it as tasks. In Power Center we will call it as workflows, right? We will call it as task flows here. And maplets, this is the reusable transformations. If you want to do any transformation multiple times, if you want to reuse it, we will go for the maplets. And this is the mapping designer. If you want to do any mappings, just click on the mappings, just create. There will be option here, create. Click on the create. Yeah, by default source and target will be available. Just if you want to change any name, mapping name like m underscore, I'm doing table to flat file now. Table to file, I'm loading the from source table to target file. I'm changing the name here, and default. If you want to send this folder Uday demo, just click on the demo here, select location where this mapping want to save. I want to save in those location Uday demo. This will be available in the bundles, and click on the this button. Yeah, this is over, and click on the source, and just click on the this button. Yeah, source. If you want to change the source name, just source src underscore. Uh, if you want to change the source name, just to click on the src underscore agents and source. Yeah, in power center we will give at last connections, right? In ISS we want to give at friend here only. Just we will take the source where oracle underscore src div here. This is the oracle connection, and we want to take single object. I will tell afterwards these all the objects and what is these options. I want to I want to take only single object from these oracle. Just I have clicked on the single object and select the object which we want to take from here. I want to take agents table here. Click on OK. Yeah, yeah. These are the advanced options. I will say later, and these are the query options. Whatever these will be, I will say later, and these are the fields in my agents table. Agent code, agent name, country, phone number. These are the fields in my agent table, and these are the partitions. And just click on down button here. Mapping is always invalid. After completing your valid mapping, then it will be turns to valid only. If you want to save mapping here, we want to save here, save button. If you want to run mapping after completing your mapping, just this button, click on this button. And if you want to delete any transformation, just click this and delete this transformation here. And these are the options, majorly options we will use. And coming to target, if you want to change the name of the target, then click on just change the name here, agents underscore tgt. These are the fields coming to from source, agent code, agent name. These are source to target. These fields are coming from source to target. And uh, if you want to delete this agent code, then exclude these field rules. I will say later. Just yeah, I'm loading these to file, flat file. If you want to add connection, you can add here it also. New connection, click on new connection, and connection name, enter here connection name, any name you can enter, flat file, flat underscore file, new connection, and click on type. Yeah, these are the types. You can add oracle connection, you can add like flat file connection, you can add ms access connection, you can add sql server connection. I'm adding flat file connection here. Just runtime environment, it is going desktop, and directory where this file want to store, in which directory you want to store. I want to store this directory in this file in D drive. Here I want to store this file. Just copy this link and paste it here. I want to store this data in this path. Then date format, you can change your date format also if there is any date column here from here. And code page, just click on UTF-8 test. You can test it here. The test was this successful. Click on OK. Yeah, yeah, we have added the connection here, and it is single object, right? Single object here. And if you want to just click on select object, there is no existing file. We want to create a new file. It is creating when the mapping is running. And agent underscore target. This is my file name, target file name. Whenever it is completed, this name will be appears in the path. These options I will say about later. Click on OK. And this operation is going to be insert, just insert. I will say there will be options here, 4 options. I will say it later. Advanced options also I will say it later. Yeah, header options. You want to load without header. You want to load with the header column names. These select on output field names. This is, yeah. You can save it now. Yeah, I have completed my mapping and mapping turns to valid here. You can create tasks, or with in Power Center it is mandated to create a session, right? In ISS you can, without task also you can create. Just click on run. In the runtime environment it should be desktop only. Click on run. Yeah, it is status is queued. Just wait for it is cloud environment, right? Takes some time. Just refresh it. Yeah, it is success. And in my agents table there are 14 records. Select star from agents. Yeah, these are 14 records in my agents table. These 14 records are loaded into flat file. Yeah, this is my flat file. You can load it. Yeah, it is comma delimiter. I have used. These 14 records are entered into here, into desktop. And you can change the delimiter also. This option will be available in Informatica options. You can change delimiter. This option is available in come to, click on target table and click on this button. Come to here agents target formatting options. Click on formatting options. Yeah, from here you can change the delimiter. uh, You can change tab delimiter. You can change colon, semicolon, non-printable, other. You can change at the rate something. You can click on this delimiter also. And after selecting these, you can click on OK. Yeah, that's about how to use IICS. And this is my first mapping.